Paul Provenzano. I'm the Vice President of Market Development for ebankIT in the US.
I'm Pedro Zvil. I'm Chief Product Officer at ebankIT. So we feel there's a fundamental shift with 2.0 going from reactive information to proactive engagement. So we're going from a script-based information provider that feeds you static information into a generative information provider that can analyze things, that can project things, that can suggest actions, so giving you a much richer experience in the end.
U.S. financial institutions are looking for ways to differentiate themselves in the market. Traditionally, banking is very commoditized and very transaction-oriented. So our approach and strategy in partnering with financial institutions is to bring a differentiated solution, something that's more engaging. And with the continuous growth and proliferation of the use of AI chat, consumers are becoming more and more accepting of looking for financial guidance. And so our approach really is to help financial institutions meet their customers where they are and bring more financial value to their financial wellness and well-being.
We're not trying to replace the human element, we're trying to enhance it and give you additional tools to perform well in terms of your financial decisions. So the AI agentic side of our AI is not going to be autonomous in the sense of replacing your decisions. It's going to propose actions, it's going to wait for your approval. So it's going to be fully integrated into the platform itself so that our digital banking channels already have integrated guardrails against excessive transaction, simply going outside of what's expected in a normal human-driven transaction. And because the AI agent is going to live inside that, it's going to also respect those guardrails, besides also waiting for your confirmation. All of those use cases share one great common element in terms of challenge, which is they all greatly depend on the data that's available. With our platform being integrated into core banking APIs, we're able to quickly reach that information, but we're still dependent on the quality of information that we have available to make these decisions. So I think that's common to all three. And in the future, we'll be continuing to pursue even greater levels of personalization in these interactions and potentially also deeper integrations with other data sources that can enrich this experience for the user.
So I think if you really kind of distill it down into what financial institutions are solving for, it's how do they deliver more value? How do they bring more personalized services? How do they meet their customers where they are at a point in time financially? So whether they're shopping for a new car, looking for a line of credit, doing investment, whatever those products and services are, the Agentic AI capabilities will act as a financial assistant. So whether that's helping provide some financial direction for one of their customers, providing financial insights on transactional history. So the idea is to transition transactional banking services, where it's very reactive, to transition into a more proactive, more engaging, more enriched experience that delivers, and we describe it as financial insights. So it's really that transition from true banking to financial management, financial insights that impact customers day in and day out as they're going about their business. Because banking isn't a top of mind issue, but where and how people are spending their money, is their money safe? Those are the top of mind issues that really impact consumers.
as digital channels, we always have to integrate with all kinds of different core banking systems, and they provide different levels of modernization in terms of the technology that they use. And so we have to be ready for that. And that's why the ebankIT platform is what we describe as core agnostic, in the sense that we have an integration layer and an abstraction layer that maps these concepts, these banking concepts from any core banking system into ebankIT concepts that we can then leverage throughout our channels. And that now includes our usage of AI for this transactional chatbot and other developments. And by accessing information that's in this abstraction layer, we effectively isolate each implementation to a great extent from each core banking system being different from each other, and therefore we can get there much quicker, provide much less disruption to the bank, and of course deliver better results in the end.